I don't wanna fall so fast, but I'm open. They always say the good things never last, and I know 'cause I've been broken. I'm trying to protect my heart, making it so hard. And I guess it's safe to say.
Hey guys, I'm Tamara and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another holiday palette review. This is the Tarte Sweet Escape collection. This normally retails for $364, but it is on sale for the holidays for $49. It comes in a cute little pink box like this. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. It's really cute. It's got this little gold pineapple right here that says Tarte, and it has these sequences. This is the back of it. You just pull each side out. This side is your blush, your bronze, and your highlight, and it has these cute little saying. It says stand tall and wear a crown. And then you have this side right here. It comes with a man-eater eyeliner, the man-eater mascara, and then a lipstick right here. And then in the middle you have your Amazonian clay eyeshadows. It comes with this clear little thing over it, and these are your colors. It comes with 25 eyeshadows. So if you guys want to see how I create this look, then make sure that you keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start priming my eyelids. I'm just using some concealer with the brush to layer it on. And then I'm using a sponge just to really flatten this concealer out and make it all even. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some translucent powder and just set this concealer in place. That way we have a soft, smooth base. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use these Morphe brushes that I just got for Black Friday. They are vegan. I'm just going to take this angled brush and we're going to go ahead and dip into this red right here in the middle. And then we're going to start as if we're doing our eyeliner. So I'm just making a small line out from the corner of my eye, and then I'm going to the top of my eyelid to figure out how high I want this to go, and then just connecting it with the first line. And then you're going to want to bring the line not all the way into the inner corner of your eye, but just like halfway there. And then I'm just going to keep dipping into this red and really trying to darken these lines and make it as sharp as possible. Don't worry if you mess up or it's not perfect, because we're going to go in and fix it with some concealer later on. So once you start darkening your lines, you're going to want to start filling in that little corner flap right there. So all I'm trying to do is just trying to darken this outer corner right here. I really want this to be as bold as possible and these lines as sharp as possible. Then I'm just going to take a little small flat brush and I'm dipping into that same color and I'm going over these lines, and then I'm also going to fill in the inside a little bit more. Alright, so now I'm taking a small fluffy brush and we're going to dip into this brown over here, and we're just going to put it on top of that red a little bit and then just try and drag it out. This is more like a transition color, that way we can fade that red into our next color. So don't worry if you get some brown on top of that red, because we're going to darken that red up again in just a minute. Make sure that you bring this brown out a little bit less than halfway. And then I'm just going back in with the brush that we just used with the red and just going over that red to make it bold again. It was kind of faded out from the brown. And then I'm taking this small little brush right here and we're just going to start blending in that red with that brown. So there does seem like there's a lot of fallout because I feel like the more I pack this color on, it's like getting in my eyelashes and my eyes are getting super watery. But we'll go over how I feel about this at the very end, so make sure that you just keep on watching. Then I'm going in with this flat brush and we're going to go in with this gold color right here. And we're just going to pack this all the way to the inner corner of the eye. And make sure that you bring it up to where it meets that red line at the top. This gold is really light and I'm just gonna keep trying to pack it on because it's not really showing up really bold. So I realized that I got some of the gold over the brown, so I'm just taking that fluffy brush and blending the gold and the red together. Alright, so everything looks pretty blended, so I'm just going back in with that small flat brush and just going back over the red lines to try and make them really bold. Alright, so this gold is not showing up how I want it to, but that's okay because that's when glitter eyeshadow comes into play. So I'm taking this gold glitter eyeshadow I got from Forever 21. It was like $3. And I'm just going to put this on top of the gold. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my fluffy brush and just try and blend in the gold glitter with the red eyeshadow. And then I'm taking this angled brush again and we're going to go under our lash line with the same red color. And now I'm going to go ahead in with a different brush and add some of this white eyeshadow and put it on the brow bone in the inner corner of my eye. Yeah, so it looks like it's not showing up, so I'm just going to use the highlighter instead. And it still looks like it's not showing up. What the hell? Oh my god, let's try this again. Okay, no, it's not showing up, y'all. So I just went ahead and took my own highlighter and yeah, just put it in the inner corner of my eye and then on my brow bone. And then I'm just going to take this angled brush right here with some concealer and we're going to sharpen up these lines. And then just blend it out. Alright, so now it's time for eyeliner. We're going to take the Man-Eater eyeliner. It looks like this. It has a really small pointed tip, which is awesome. I'm trying to learn how to do my eyeliner without stretching my eye out, so bear with me because this is a struggle. I don't know how people do this, but I'm trying. Like, how do you get such a straight line without stretching your eye out? Alright, so now we're going to take the Man-Eater mascara. It looks like this. This is the travel size mascara. We're just going to go ahead and put that on. Alright, so I went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera. And now we are going in with the blush, this color right here. Alright, so I just realized that when I was putting the bronze on as my contour and all over my face that the camera wasn't recording. I'm sorry guys. But we're just going to go ahead and take this blush right here and put that on top of our cheeks. Whoa, this blush is super pigmented. I love a good pretty pink blush, but it looks like it's a little too pink, or maybe I just layered it on too much. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend some of this out. Okay, this looks nice. Alright, so now I'm going to take this fan brush and we are going to dip into this highlight. Now this highlighter did not show up when I tried to use it in the inner corner of my eye, so we're gonna see if this shows up on the cheek. Alright, and it's still not showing up. Let me switch my brush. I'm gonna use this other Morphe highlight brush. This is another option if you don't like fan brushes. And let's see if it'll show up with this brush. Okay, so it looks like it's showing up now. Maybe it was just the brush. But I still feel like I have to layer this on. But it's still a pretty highlighter. I feel like you just have to layer it on, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I like a lot of highlight. And then I'm going to apply this to the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, the Cupid's bow, and my chin. I don't know why, but I just started putting it on my forehead too. I think I just like the glow. Alright, so now we're going to take the lipstick. It looks like this, has these cute little pineapples on it. Y'all, I love pineapples. Ooh, this is like a pretty pink color. It's not too pink, it's kind of neutral. Really glossy. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the review. Alright guys, so it's review time. So obviously you guys saw that I had to pack on some of these colors. The darker colors were, I would say, okay pigmented, like they would show up, but I really had to like pack this color in the corner to make it like really bold. The gold that I used right here, like this would not show up. Like it shows up on my finger, but like if I swipe it, let's say I swipe it on my hand, like it does not show up. Like, there's no pigment. It just disappears on the skin. So that was really frustrating, but I did go over it with some glitter, obviously, to make it pop more. There was a lot of fallout. Like, you guys can see that whenever, like, up here and, like, around here, like, there's fallout on the palette. So this can get really dirty. It got really dirty for me. As soon as I tapped in my brush, it was a lot of fallout. It got all over my phone screen. It was literally sitting right beside my palette, and there's dust all over it. But as far as the eyeliner, the mascara, and the lipstick, those worked really good. The eyeliner was really pigmented. It was really sharp. It showed up. The Man-Eater mascara, I liked it. It was just a little hard to use it on my bottom lashes because it's such a thick brush. And the lipstick is more like a neutral color. It's really shiny. It's moisturizing. It smells like mint, so that's always good. It's refreshing. As far as the highlight, I tried to use it on the inner corner of my eye and my brow bone, and it would not show up. I had to use one of my own highlighters. But it looks really good and subtle on my cheekbone. I mean, I had to go in a few swipes and then just kind of pack it onto my cheekbone, and it shows up. It's really pretty, I think, but it's just not like boom how I like it. I think the blush and the bronze, like, that was my favorite. They showed up so good. The bronze is really pigmented. I used it to contour my cheek and then add more color to my face. And then the blush was really pretty and pink. It was really bold, so I had to make sure I, like, blended it out really good. But you guys, this is a really good deal. This is a really cute palette. I feel like if you're a beginner, this would be a cute set. This will be a really cute Christmas gift as well. It comes with everything you need. I don't think that this will be like my go-to eyeshadow palettes, but I feel like you can work with it, and these are buildable colors. So yeah, you guys, I hope that you like this video. I hope that you like this holiday glam look that I did for the holidays. And make sure that you like this video, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click the bell. That way you are notified every time that I upload a new video. Bye, guys.